Grounds. Scene 1.
Go slowly. It's waist deep over there now. So
what are you doing, Rosie?
yeah, you can carry on now. Carry on.
Oh, me carry on, sorry.
No, I can't get that lot. Sun's in there.
Just go kind of half and half.
Half and half.
Guys, remember the idea was to make ourselves more stable and being on our own. You're not actually holding on to it yet. Rather than just sacrificing Rosie up front.
Go away with that camera.
Rosie, why did you go so far?
Yeah.
I told you to go just here. Oh,
ridiculous. Right, let's go.
No, what you do, if you do it like a pace or a few at a time.
Okay, right.
No, stop.
Hey guys, don't worry about what they're doing.
I've got my branches, I'm so steady.
Well, you could have used walking poles.
Rosie, come back.
Okay, come back.
Good
Good
work,
guys. Crocodiles in China.
Get after it.
Yeah. Yeah, but what if one of you fell over, then you would have fallen over?
No, but they're holding onto their bags. Then they can let go of their bag. No. Okay, no. Because if we have me in the middle, then.
Have you got a method? I'm going to ask each group to show me one method in a minute.
Okay, we're building a raft at the moment.
You're not building a raft.
Do a sword, do a two-man sword. Okay.
Timber!
That's our raft. That way, dumbass.
And they're dead. And we lost 4 on our trip.
No, that was a poor.
I'll do it then.
Come on, we're in the middle of the river.
It doesn't matter, just show me what you're going to do.
We're holding on to it.
Hold on to Jim. Hold on to Jim. Okay, there you go, and then lead the way. And I'll try and yank you if you get taken by a wave.
Okay.
Okay?
So if I get taken by a wave, what are you going to do?
Let
Well,
go,
you're going to try.
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It's the river.
Hold on, you get your bag.
I'll be the way. You know you're
dragging your bag. That's probably your
What do we do?
And then you take your
A
bag
big
off.
tree trunk came down the
To
river.
take your bag off.
And then all my stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
Then you lose your stuff.
You just let go of him.